Hello my crochet friends, and welcome back to another tutorial from SandraStitches. Today we are going to be learning how to work the cluster stitch. So I've made two samples here to show you. This is a 2-row repeat, very simple, very texture, very beautiful stitch that you can use and work in one solid color or two colors, so it pops up a little bit more. You can use variegated yarn as I used here, and as you can see, I also used a different color here that complements the variegated yarn, or just with the variegated yarn, no accent color, and it looks amazing. I think this is a great stitch for all kind of projects you want to work. I'm planning a scarf and we'll see how it goes. All right, so let's get started. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will be using my worsted weight yarn and my 5mm hook. Okay, now this stitch, as I said, is a 2-row repeat, very simple, and it calls for multiple of even numbers. So you just make sure the length or the width of your project that you want to work on, and make a chain, a foundation chain of multiples of even numbers. So I will be chaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have my multiple of even numbers. I have 12 chains. We start with the foundation chain, and our first row we will start with a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So we skip the loop on our hook, does not count. We skip the first chain and we work in the second chain. So we insert our hook, pull up a loop and pull through 2 loops. This is our first single crochet. And then we'll work another single crochet in the next chain. All right, so we have 2 single crochet in the beginning of the row. This will be the same in every row for the first row of the 2-row repeat. Now we chain 1, we skip the next stitch, skip, and single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, and all the way across until the end of your chain. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet next, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet next, and then you have only 1 chain remaining, so you work a single crochet in the last chain, and then we have 2 single crochet in the beginning, 2 single crochet at the end, so you know that your numbers are okay. For the second row we chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This counts for a double crochet plus a chain, and then we skip our first stitch and second stitch, and we work in the chain 1 spaces between the single crochets from the previous row. Okay, so we work a 3 double crochet together. How we do that? We yarn over, we start our double crochet as usual, pull through 2, but we do not finish it. Then we start another double crochet in the same chain 1 space, pull through 2, and we don't finish it. So we have 3 loops on our hook. We start a third double crochet, pull through 2, and we don't finish it. But now we yarn over and pull through all 4 loops that were on our hook. So we have 3 double crochet together, and we chain 1. Okay, and again we skip the single crochet from the previous row and we walk into the chain 1 space again, 3 single crochet together, 3 double crochet together. So we start the first one and we don't finish it. We start the second one and we don't finish it. We start the third one and we don't finish it. Now we yarn over, we have 4 loops on our hook and we pull through all 4, chain 1. So as you can see, we start to have these clusters. These are our clusters. And again, skip the single crochet and walk in the chain 1 space, yarn over, pull through 2, the second double crochet and the third double crochet. So we have 4 loops on our hook and we pull through all 4, chain 1. And continue until the end of your row, until you don't have any more chain 1 spaces. So we finished our last one, and now I have my 2 last single crochet from the previous row. I chain 1, I skip 1, and I double crochet in the last stitch. So this is my second row from the 2-row repeat. This is very, very simple. Now we go back to row number 1, we chain 1, turn our work, we work 1 single crochet in the first stitch from the hook, and we work 1 single crochet in the chain 1 space here. So these are going to be our first 2 double crochet from the beginning of the first row, and chain 1, and now we're going to work in between the clusters, in the chain 1 spaces between the clusters. Single crochet, chain 1, single crochet between the clusters, chain 1, single crochet between the clusters, chain 1, single crochet in the last. If you remember, it was a chain 4 that counted for a double crochet plus a chain space, and the last one on top of the chain 3 from the beginning chain. So again, we have our first row of the row repeat, and we continue chain 4, 4, and we work our cluster in the chain 1 space here. Now, if you want to change colors, you change colors after this row. Oops. After this row, I made a mistake. Let's start again. I was talking and not paying attention. So the 3 double crochet together, 1, 2, 3. So I have 4 loops on my hook, pull through all 4, chain 1, and again into the chain 1 space, 1, 2, 3. Very simple, very texture, very beautiful. 1, 2, 3, and chain 1, and the last one, 1. Let me get some yarn. 2, 3, and chain 1, pull through all 4 loops, chain 1, and finish with, we have these 2 single crochet at the beginning here, so we finish with 1 double crochet at the end. Now, if you want to change colors, you change here your next color, and you start the single crochet row, so you get the effect with a different color, like here. Okay, you don't have to. I think it's beautiful in one color, but you can use two colors and then you will have the effect of rose. This is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I think it's a beautiful, beautiful stitch that you can use for any project. I will see you in our next stitch tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Bye!